Hi guys, welcome to today's video. So today we'll be seeing a very interesting and very useful design pattern which is called as OUTBOX design pattern. So today we'll be seeing why we want to use OUTBOX design pattern or what is its use case. So before getting into this discussing about this OUTBOX design pattern, let's start with a simple microservice architecture. A simple microservice architecture. So what happens in a simple microservice architecture? Let's take an example of an order and a notification service. Therefore, let's assume there is an order service which generates the order once the customer places an order in the site, and there is something called as notification service. Notification service. So what happens here is in a simple microservice architecture is once an order service generates an order or it changes the status of any order, it directly communicates to the notification service that a particular order has been placed, and you notify the required clients that this particular order is there and just send the notification to the relevant customer, relevant clients. So what is the issue in this particular direct communication in a simple microservice architecture? One of the issue is if the notification service if the notification service fails for some reason, then the notification will not be sent, and leading to inconsistency or in an inconsistent state of that particular order which is trying to send. So there can be issues is issues are there can be an inconsistent state on service failure, and also if the notification service comes back up, it is not aware that a particular order is there and it has to send a notification for it because there is no state which is kept in this particular system. So in order to address this particular issue, in addition to this, there can be network drop also, network failure also. The order service will not be able to communicate to notification service even though notification service is up, because this is a microservice architecture. Most of the API calls are network calls. So that also can lead to an inconsistent state. In order to address these issues, what can we do? So what experts suggest is to use something called as an outbox pattern. Outbox design pattern. So what does this outbox design pattern recommend? So according to the design of an outbox design pattern, if in the same case for the order service, let's take the same example. There is something called as order service, and it generates orders, and instead of directly communicating to the notification service to send the notification, what this does is this writes the orders to an something called as an outbox table. So outbox table is a persistent database. It will be database table where it stores the orders which are generated. So this is the step 1 of the process. So in step 2, what happens? So there will be an outbox processor. Let's draw notification service here itself. notification service which is still there. So there will be something called as outbox processor. So what this outbox processor do? It actually reads the outbox table. It is be a background process. It will be background service which reads continuously polls the outbox table if there is a new item present in the outbox table. If it finds a new item, it picks that item up and processes it. So what it will do, it will pick that item up and sends back to the notification service for processing. So this is a typical outbox design pattern. This is how the outbox design pattern looks like. So, so order service writes to the orders and outbox table, and the outbox processor handles reliable message delivery to the notification service. So this is what a typical outbox design pattern looks like, which helps to resolve the issues that we discussed previously. So that's what I wanted to cover in this small video. If you found this video helpful, please do subscribe to this channel and press on the like button and just share this video with your friends. Thank you. See you in the next video.